Hey Stars, thanks for joining me. So today we're going to be reviewing a nail dust collector that I picked up from Amazon. I don't know why I waited so long to pick one of these up. I've been doing my nails for decades, and if you do acrylics and gels, you know how messy filing can get. So this one is super lightweight. That's a tray with the filter in it that I will be showing you later. It comes with a standard wall unit adapter. It has 3 functions: low, medium, and high, and then the power button is on the right. So you literally just barely touch the buttons and it'll turn on. There is a fan in there, so it is going to make a noise, but it's nothing unbearable. So I'm going to start filing using my e-file. I decided not to use a coarse sand bit because that's like really a lot of dust will be collected from that, but I really wanted to see if even something slight, like even the slightest of filing, would collect any dust, and it definitely did. So you can't feel the suction on top of this, like you wouldn't even know it was really working, but it definitely does. So there you could see a little bit already. So and I do apologize for like the weird angles. Like I have the phone above trying to film and I can't see what I'm doing, so when I'm doing my nails on camera, it always just looks so unprofessional. I mean, I'm not a professional, I just do this, you know, for myself, but when I'm doing my nails by myself without filming, it just is completely different. It's just really, I find it really hard to do this while filming because I don't know what you can see and I want to make sure you can see what I'm doing. So if you can see on the metal plate there, or the mirrored plate, you can already see dust collecting. And in a minute, I will be using just a regular file even to see if that worked, and that definitely worked as well. So once I zoom in again, you'll be able to see, you can even see it now, all of the dust that's collected. A little bit on my hand, but you'll see now on the pink silicone mat, there's all the dust. You'll be able to see on the pink silicone mat, there's no dust whatsoever. There was no dust on my lap. There was nothing like falling off of my hands. Like usually I get dust on my wrist. What you saw there was just glitter from my nails that I had done before. I was very impressed by this. I really did not think it was going to work. So here is the tray. You just pull it out, and this device does come with like a little brush that you can kind of like collect all the dust from the top of it. You can just take the filter out, shake it out into like the garbage or whatever. That's what I did, and then replace it. But again, there's the fan. This is super lightweight. I really am so impressed. I just really didn't think this was gonna work. I don't know why, but I had never used one before. So that's the cute little brush it comes with. So if you guys are interested in trying out this product, I will leave you the link down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.